Hey, food truckers in Harris County, if you haven't got this email right here already, you will be getting one. It's effective January the 1st, 2020. Now you need a new operational permit from the Harris County Fire Marshal. Not only do you have to have the food service permit and get your truck inspected, now you got to get an additional permit from the fire department. I'm going to let you read through some of this, and it say that it is effective January the 1st, 2020. And that was my first time hearing about it until January the 13th, as you see when I got this email. So if you're not on the email list, this is what you would get. You need this permit. So that's a little extra money. I called them and asked them what it was, and they didn't have much information for me. And I was trying to get a price. And I did some type of research. It looks like it's going to be over $500 to get one of these permits. So I'm going to click on this link and let you look at this permit website. Once you get on this website, you have to create an account. And I'm going to show you the process of going through and creating this account. As you see, effective January the 1st, 2020, permit types. And you can apply for it online, and they don't want you to fax anything. They want everything done online, and then they would come out and do some kind of inspection. And I called them, and they're not giving me any information. But I'm going to show you what's new on this website. You scroll on down, these are different permits from different people, and you see this new one that says mobile food units. So that could be a food trailer, a truck, a push cart. You have to have this operational permit from the Harris County Fire Marshal, Harris County Fire Department. So they're making it harder and harder every year. Before you just had to have your fire extinguishers. Now you got to get the fire suppression system. And that's another $2,500 to get that installed in your food truck or trailer. So I'm going to click on it, the application. In order to do an application, you have to log on and get a account with the Harris County Engineering Department permits. So first you click on that, and then you can do it as an individual, as a company. I'm going to do mine as I'm an individual, and I'm going to hit confirm. And once you hit confirm, you go walk through here and you fill out your name, email address, and all this other good stuff, telephone numbers, and make sure you got everything okay. So I'm just filling this in and just show you my process of going through it. And I think it's the restaurants that are making it harder on these food trucks, because I guess they think some of these food trucks are taking away some of their businesses, and they just making it very difficult. It's very discouraging. A lot of people are probably going to drop out because all of these different permits. You see, they sent me an email, and first you put your username, and then you go to your email account and get the password. And I'm going to go to my J Harvey's Grill email, and I'm going to see if I got a new one here. There you go, that e-permit support. And what you can do, that's the password right there. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it. It's a funky looking password. I can't remember it. So what you want to do is just highlight it and copy and paste it. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into the password. And once you paste it in and you hit log in, it's going to take you to another screen to where you can create a new password. So you put that password they emailed to you, just paste it in there. And then once you paste it in there, just create you a new password, one that you can remember, and hit OK. And there you go. Now you got you an account online. And once you start filling out these applications, it has step-by-step procedures. But I'm going to click on this mobile food unit. I'm going to show you what this permit is looking like. So it's giving you all the requirements. And down here it says there shall be no paper submissions. So everything has to be done online. You cannot submit any papers as far as applying for these permits. It's kind of like anything else. They're making everything paperless. Your bills, TXU, Centerpoint, everything is paperless. I guess they're trying to save trees. So you cannot send anything paper. It have to be done here on the website. So I'm going to scroll down and let you look at this mobile food unit information that you need. See, these are the requirements. You need to text your driver's license, your name, address, phone number, and then you need to go through and your vehicle trailer registration ID, copy of gas test from your gas appliance, a copy of a vent hood cleaning. It's a lot of stuff you have to go through. And that vent hood cleaning, I guess you got to get it professionally done, or I don't know how they're gonna do that. You go do it yourself and write yourself a receipt, but they want to see that. So this is what it's coming to now. They're making everything so difficult. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.